Hello everyone, we're back again, and today we're going to do a review on this little product from Dell. It's actually for a converter for your new laptops that run off those USB-Cs. This little device is nice to travel with, and especially good for laptops that actually don't have enough ports and all they've got is the USB-C port itself. So this one actually is from Dell. It's called the DA200. Now it's pretty small, compact, doesn't feel very big, but what it does pack in has a foldable sort of system for the USB-C cable, which you can neatly pack away here so it doesn't get caught on other things there. But what it actually allows you to do is it converts into your HDMI cable, your VGA port, you've got USB 3, and you've got your normal Ethernet port itself. Now you can only use one of the two display ports. They both won't work simultaneously. I've tried it, but unfortunately it's basically one of the displays that allows you through. But you can connect one display and use USB and the Ethernet all one go at the exact same time. Pretty good product. I've actually never had one die on me so far, so pretty good. We've had a few around of these things here. Definitely a good product to have. I think Dell's got new versions of this out now as well. Anyway, which is actually circular, I think it is, but I think this one's really nice because it's more flat, so it's easy to actually put into your bags and stuff like that. Anyway, thanks again. Till next time. Catch you later.